guys, welcome to Jumpin' and Dance. I'm John Chu. Today we're going to learn one of my favorite line dance songs, the Cupid Shuffle. Typically when I go to a party and I see people do the Cupid Shuffle, it usually happens like this. The DJ plays the song, there's a small group of people that walk in and know the dance and they're doing it. Then the rest of the crowd jumps in and tries to follow along, and by the time they get it and we're all dancing in a circle, dancing in a group together, the song's over. So in this lesson, I want to teach you the moves so you can jump right in and start dancing it and know the steps well. And also I'm going to teach you some variations so you can do it in a multitude of ways and have a good time with it. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the most basic Cupid Shuffle is this. You're going to start, okay, with a group, hopefully not alone, with a group, and you're going to start with your right foot and you're going to go to the right. And you're going to go out with your right foot, together with your left foot. And you're going to do that 4 times. So he's going to say, the singer's going to say in the song, to the right, and that's your cue to go to the right. And it's an easy song, it's a 4-beat count song, and it repeats over and over again in terms of the dance, and you just have to know these basic steps. So you basically go right together, right together, right together, right together, 4 times, right? Then you go back the other way, left together, left together, left together, left together. Then you go kick, starting with your right foot, 4 kicks. You're going to go kick, and I put my right heel on the floor, and then you bring it back. Kick, bring your left heel to the floor, you bring it back. And then you repeat that. And kick, okay? So that's 4 kicks. Then he's going to say, now walk it by yourself. So when you walk it by yourself, you're going to start with your right foot. And you're going to do, this is the most basic version, you're going to go right, left. And as you do right, left, you're going to turn to your left. So you're going to do 4 right lefts. And when you're done with all 4 right lefts, you're going to be facing that side of the room. You're going to do a quarter turn. So you have plenty of dance steps and time to make yourself face the left side of the room. So you're going to go right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. And then you're facing the other side. And when you face the left side of the room, it all repeats. You go back immediately to your right foot, right together, okay? And you just repeat that sequence right after you face the left side of the room until you keep going around in circles, and then you get dizzy. All right, so that is the most basic version. Let's try it with the music. Now that you're all experts in the basic Cupid Shuffle, if you want to spice it up, here are some awesome moves you can do. All right, as you go to the right, okay, instead of doing the right, left, okay, you're going to go right and point your right foot to that side of the room, to the right side of the room, and bring it together, okay? And move your body, okay, so that it faces to the right as you're pointing your right foot. So you're going to go right together, right together, right together, right together. And then you're going to clap in the 4th one and go back left together, left together, left together, left together. And then you do your kicks, okay? Here's another variation. As you go into the right, you can go right, so you step over with your left foot, right, and then you bring it together. So you can go right together, right together, right together, right together. Then you bring your left foot, your right foot over your left foot. And when he says, left, 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 left. Okay? For anyone who's danced salsa or Latin before, it should be pretty easy because a lot of moves are similar to Latin or breakdancing. You know, as you do breakdancing, it's kind of like the top rock, up rock. So another variation going right and left is what I call the Bruno Mars. And I call it the Bruno Mars because, and that's what I like, there's a famous step he goes like this. And he goes the other way too. And you can do that in the Cupid shuffle. See, when he goes to the right, you can go to the right, to the right, to the right, to the right. And then you go back to the left, to the left, to the left, to the left, to the left. So how you do that, I'll show you the back view. You're going to go to your right, and you're going to point your toes to the right corner, like that. Okay, then you're going to go and point your heels, swing that over to the right, like this. And then you're going to repeat that. Toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. You do that 4 times. Repeat that 4 times. With your arms, as you point your toes to the right, you're going to dip your arms down. Okay? And then as you point your heels to the right, okay, you're going to bring it up. And then you're going to dip it back down when you point your toes to the right. So you're going to go like this. As you're doing your kicks, you don't have to just put your heel on the floor. Okay, as you're doing them. You can actually kick, do a little jump, kick, 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 okay? When you do the kicks, you can go and you can not only just kick, but you can clap your hands under your feet, okay? So it'll go, as you do your kicks, you go kick, 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 kick. So that another way you can do the kicks is instead of just going right, left, you can go kick, 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 okay? And if everyone does it, it looks really good, okay? So, back view, you can go kick, and you bring your ankle to your left, your right ankle to your left hand, and you bring it back, and then you go kick, you bring your right ankle to your left hand behind your left leg, okay? So go kick, 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 kick. And then you go walk it by yourself. As you go walk it by yourself, you don't just have to take steps, right? You can go and do a little bit of a bend here and start with like a twist. You could go, as you do your last kick, 3, 4, you bring it together, you do your twist. You can go right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Alright guys, that was the Cupid Shuffle. Hope you enjoyed learning it and dancing it. If you enjoyed it, please like the video below, and please follow me on Facebook and subscribe to my channel on YouTube for more videos and for more tutorials. Alright, hope you had a great time. Share it with your friends and family who are going to a party or wedding in the future where the Cupid Shuffle will be played, and have a great time dancing.